Good afternoon. Happy Friday. Happy Madaraka Day. Jum'ah Mubarak. Today is a Friday, the third Friday of Ramadan actually. Today is the 16th day of Ramadan. We've basically passed halfway Ramadan. Isn't that crazy? It is going so fast. Anyway, today's Friday. I didn't have school. I'm so happy about that because it's like a public holiday. So I had the chance to like sleep in, which like you guys don't know. I was so excited when I found out yesterday today's a holiday because I'm usually up every day. It's like so early, and then I want to do like a mini skincare. My skin, I told you guys I've been having trouble with my skin, so I think I'm gonna do a mask now or something. I really want to go for a facial tomorrow because I can't have my skin like bad on it, so I think I'm just gonna go get like a facial done because anyway, remember when I said last week that I was about to wash my brushes? I didn't get the chance. I was so busy, I didn't get the chance. I think I'm gonna do that now before I procrastinate more. Let's go wash this brush. Update: I have a turmeric face mask on. If you guys know, then you know who Ruth is. When I wash this off, I plan on putting like sheet mask that I received yesterday, a bunch of them from this Instagram page. Let me show you. So this is the one. It says placenta sheet mask, strengthening skin barrier. That's what it looks. Not like actual placenta, but these peas in a pod type of things. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna have this on after I wash this off. It's currently like 4 p.m. by the way. Okay, time for the mask. I love sheet masks. Sheet masks are one of my favorite masks. I don't know, they make me feel like I'm at a spa or something. Yeah, they put fragrance. That's usually a no-no for me when it comes to skincare because fragrance does irritate the skin. The scent is it's there, you know what I mean? Another trick is always put your sheet mask like in the fridge, like just like 15 minutes before you apply it on your skin because it can give you like that cooling effect. And then the trick is always rub the extra like down your neck. And there's usually like a little bit more of like the juices left. You can just rub it down your neck or your hands. Or once like you're done with the mask, you just like rub it on your face as a serum because it's quite hydrating. Let me just relax for a bit and I'll catch you guys later. Update: just took off the mask and my brushes are clean. I've been meaning to film like a makeup look and I couldn't because my brushes were all dirty. Actually, a few are clean, but these are the ones I like to use and I use most of the time, so I needed to clean them before I put them on my face. I'm not trying to break out or anything, so it took me about a week to clean them, but I'm finally done. It's 5:30 p.m. The lookbook I was filming last week, I have to edit that because it has to be up sometime this week. I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. I won't say later because I know I won't vlog the rest of the night because there's nothing much to vlog, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is Saturday. I just filmed this look. It will be up probably sometime this week or the next week, but you guys asked for Eid looks. I wasn't planning to do them, but you guys asked for it, so I'm gonna give it to you. Anyway, I'm headed to my sister's house. She invited us over for iftar today, so that's what we're gonna do. It's practically like 4 p.m. I haven't done much, just filming throughout the day and just a bit of like this vlog. I feel like this vlog is gonna be wanting. Anyway, let's go. Am I the only one that's obsessed with orange? Like, I really love the way orange looks on me now. Like, it's so good. Iftar with a view. How stunning is this? I've been wearing this makeup for like 12 hours or so. 8. Vlogging Ramadan. Hey guys, today is Sunday. I'm headed to Isli to get the food packages. Yasmin's actually waiting for me outside. Anyway, we're headed to Isli and then we're gonna come and distribute the foods and take them to people. I'm so excited. I missed last year's. I couldn't attend last year's, but this year I'm all hands in. I can't wait. See you guys later.
They are
15. Das ist so.
15, yeah.
Das ist so. Man kann nicht.
Just say.
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I just want to check in about yesterday. I couldn't vlog that much yesterday when we went to like the homes and everything because I don't know, it was such a private, like intimate, I say this word a lot, but I didn't think it was right to shove the camera in people's faces, especially people that are so vulnerable. Thank you to everyone that donated. Thank you for everyone who came through and helped us like distribute the food and like all that stuff. It was such a good experience. I can't wait to do the next one. Shout out to Yasmin to making all this possible. She's such a boss lead. Yeah, today is Monday, about 12 maybe. And also I'm thinking of making this the last week of vlogging. Let me know. I just got back home. Package from Madora just arrived. So yesterday I was at the hub, right? And Madora was having a sale and I took advantage and got myself a foundation. Okay, I got myself the Lancome Tint Idol foundation. I've had so many good things about this one. It's like a holy grail in like the beauty world. So I got myself one. I'm in the shade number 6. The sale is running up to 20th June. So you guys get this. Is so luxurious. Yeah, I got myself one. I'm so excited. And I just got it for 3,000 shillings. Can you imagine? From like 6,000 something to like 3,000 shillings. How crazy. How crazy. Kareem, today is the last Friday of Ramadan. We're gonna go get a facial, do something about this face because it is coming. My skin has been so fake to me lately, like so fake. I don't know what's going on, especially like here and here. It's just been so messed up. I don't know what's going on, so we're gonna try fix this before Eid comes. And then I did film like one Eid look, which you guys would have probably seen by now, I think. So far the results are actually really good. Do you see the glow? These are like extractions, so they're gonna disappear, but other than that, I'm glowing. I love this. I just realized I didn't sign out from this week's vlog, the last week of Ramadan vlog, week 3. I know there were 4 weeks, but I didn't have enough content, so I kind of mixed both. I hope you guys enjoyed this week. I really enjoyed vlogging. I don't know if you guys did, but this was so fun for me. Let me know if I should continue vlogging because I think I should. This was so fun, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys had a good Eid, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.